We talked about automation last time, and we were trying to show you how many ways automation can help your business. We decided to also put a case study together and sort of more relatable examples so you can see what automation can do for you. We talked to our friends Gary and Dale from packagefromsanta.com. You need to check their website because they have a very unique product and it's very seasonal. They've been in business for 13 years, and I don't think I ever met people who love what they do more than them. They had a problem though. During the season, during the high peak, they will have over 7,500 tickets to be resolved. That was not a good thing because it's people asking all these questions, people trying to get extra service or better service or even complaints. And the problem was it was just not enough. It's a family business, so it's not enough people. They had to outsource a lot of the stuff. Paige, which is one of Santa's little helpers, she started doing some research of what kind of automation they can use so it will help their business. So she found ChatBot.com, which is it was one of the easier and cost-effective tools to be used, and she set up a chatbot for their page. After that, the ticket number went down 50%. Since then, the phones start ringing less, so it's not too many people trying to ask for questions, and then that led also the team to focus on what mattered the most, which is in the company growth and delivering excellent customer service. There are a bunch of different ways and a lot of different tools that you can use to automate certain things. But with chatbot.com, Package from Santa was able to help their customers and improve their business. Now, we would love to hear what kind of tools are you using that it will help your business to grow, or you think it might help your team to do a better job. See you next time.